Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm very excited to announce that I'll be starting practical software testing training, which will be instructor-led, and I'll be instructing and I'll be teaching this particular course myself, and this course is going to start from the 1st of July. Now, this course was planned sometime early, but then I also did a short announcement last year that I'll be starting this course or instructor-led courses sometime next year, but due to some personal circumstances and the busy schedule that I have in my usual job, I was not able to start. But then I thought if I'll keep postponing and pushing this further, it's never going to happen. So this is the best time. Let's go ahead and get started. Doesn't matter what time I have to basically conduct this training. I'll do after hours from my work, but then I will go ahead and do it. So this is the practical software testing training, which will be unique of its kind. It will be very hands-on, and it won't be just the theory and bookish knowledge that you will mostly find in most of the classes and trainings that you'll go. So when I say practical software testing training, it will be the actual work that usually you will do when you go into the projects. You will be able to understand what all tools are being used, how they are being used, how people communicate within the team, what projects are and how the projects are actually, how you are actually engaged as a tester into the project. What are your first steps, how you progress further within those projects, when you do testing, what tools you will be using, etc. So all of that will be practical and hands-on. Now we won't be jumping directly into the practical steps. We will be going through the theoretical concepts. So all of the testing related theory will be covered first with the practical examples. The next phase will be the actual hands-on with the tools, and the tools that are most widely used in the industry, Jira and Confluence. So Jira with Zephyr, one of the test management tool, either with Zephyr or X-Ray, will be using one of that plugin, and I'll be showcasing you how Jira and Zephyr are used together for the whole testing life cycle within the real projects in the industry nowadays. Apart from that, once we start this particular training, I will be showing you all of these things. I'll be explaining, and then you will be also getting access, the real access to document the test cases, to write the test cases, to write the defect reports, etc. So you will be sort of a person very equivalent to a person who actually works as a tester within a particular project, right? So don't think this particular training as just a training where I'll be coming live and I'll be just explaining few concepts and I'll be gone. It's not like that. You can watch my content on YouTube and you can see the value that is being provided in those tutorials. Now this will be a lot more premium content as compared to what is there on YouTube. So do not compare this training with any other trainings that you get on other platforms. It will be a complete journey that I'll be walking you through as a software tester. If you are a fresher and want to get into the software testing field, what all needs or what all skills you need, you will be building that. How you are going to tackle the project, you will be building that. What tools you will be using, you will be having knowledge of that. Right? So all of that will be built. The only exception here is that we won't be covering automation aspect into this practical training yet, because it will be too much of content to consume at one point of time, right? So let's quickly go ahead and deep dive into the course contents that I'll be covering in this training. All right. So first thing, we'll be starting with the basics. Now, how the testing is actually conducted in the software development life cycles. There are so many software development life cycles. I'll be starting from the earliest ones like waterfall, and how testing has evolved or development has evolved through those development life cycles, and what actually we use nowadays, right? What methodology we use nowadays, and how testing is conducted into the agile. Okay. So all of that will be covered in theoretical part, along with the correlation with the practical experience that I had in my last 18 years of career. Okay. So you will see the testing techniques, the test management, if you are an experienced person, and you want to understand around the test management, you are looking for a test lead sort of role, we'll be covering a lot more detail into the test management right from the beginning, but also covering the advanced topics of the test management. We'll be covering the basics of Agile and Scrum for testers. So this is must learn, because once you know the Agile and Scrum fundamentals and how actually Scrum functions as a framework, then you will be understanding how testing actually fits within that, right? So all of that will be covering here, and you will see all of these subtopics. Now these are not the only topics that we'll be covering. These are the high level topics, and within these topics we'll be discussing a lot more details and practical aspects in those topics. We'll start with Jira and Confluence basics. Okay, first you understand what exactly is Jira, understand the navigation, the Confluence. We'll install the plugin, the test management plugin within Jira, and explain all of those details. So we'll cover the basics, and then we'll move with all these theoretical and basics that we have built till now. Then we'll move to the hands-on testing for a project. Now this sample project that I'll be taking some live website which is there out in the market, and we'll be having some sort of the requirements that I'll be creating as a person or product owner, and then all of the members that will be there within this particular practical training will be basically working on those requirements to understand how those requirements or the product backlog basically moves from the product backlog to the end product, and how testing team usually works with that whole life cycle, right? So this is the hands-on, and these are all the contents, and this is just sort of high level. There will be more discussion and actual work that you will be doing, right? So in this you will be actually doing the hands-on. So you will be getting access to Jira, getting access to Confluence, and then actually documenting the test cases, creating test cycles, executing that, reporting defects, etc. So how you are going to do that in the real scenario, that's what you are going to learn, right? Now there are many Jira and Confluence trainings available there, but then I have been using Jira from past 8 to 9 years, and I am certified Jira project administrator. I am certified by the Atlassian, and I know in and out of Jira and Confluence, not only in terms of usage but also in terms of the configuration and the challenges that you might face, which you won't be able to solve from any other person who is just doing software testing or teaching test automation. So these are some of the basic advantages that you will get when you are joining these classes. Okay, so apart from this Jira thing, my experience in software testing and test automation, you can go through my YouTube channel. You will already understand what sort of experience and the teaching style that I have. If you are not able to understand any of the concepts there, definitely in this class you can ask any sort of detail that you have in your mind, whether it's career related or anything that is not clear in the pre-recorded training, right? But most of my students, 95% of the students who have watched the YouTube content, so on an average I get 95 plus positive feedback, which is sort of a good number, because you can't make everyone happy, but if you are able to make 95% people happy out of 100, that's where I want to focus, and that's where I have came up with this practical live training. The purpose of this training is to get you into job. If you're not employed into software testing industry, whether you are in Australia, US, UK, India, so I have exposure in different geographies. I have worked with international clients. Currently I'm in Australia. I've been here for 8 to 10 years now. I have worked in India, so I know all the workplaces well, the geographies well, and how you are going to target based on the different geographies these software testing jobs. So this training will be very good for the freshers who want to grab an opportunity into the software testing field, because once we cover that, we'll be also covering the SQL for testers, right? So this is also very important course for testers. So you can imagine how many courses are being covered in this whole live training, right? So this is not just one course. There are people who market 8 different live trainings, and then they are basically just short courses, and they are not just one sort of package. This is one package. The only thing that remains here is the automation part, which will be covered separately because it's too much to cover in one particular training. Once we do that, if you are a fresher or an experienced person, we will review the resume for all the candidates who will be joining. We'll be providing the job guidance, one-to-one sort of conversation with the participants, and how you are going to target. So I won't be just leaving you after the training. It will be more of a one-to-one sort of guidance so that you are able to crack job. Now, the whole purpose here is to help you get into job so that money you are investing here is actually, you get a good return on investment, right? You just don't want to invest the money and I walk away or you walk away without any return on it. Okay, so we'll be reviewing all of that. We'll be conducting some of the mock interview for some of the participants. I won't be doing it for all participants, but in case you are interested in doing the mock interview for all of you, we can do it later. So during the training, I'll be doing it for some of the participants, which will be sort of closed group, so that you can see how the mock interviews are being conducted, or the interviews will be conducted in the real scenarios. And then for remaining participants, we can do it later after the training has been finished, right? So I do not want to commit anything that I won't be able to keep promises on, right? So this is basically what we'll be covering and my brief background. So visit my channel, see the way of teaching, and see the courses that I'll be covering. Don't just go on these high level pointers that you see. There'll be a lot more detail that will be covered, right? Apart from what you get with this live training, you will get all the recorded videos for this training that will be available to all the people who join this training. Okay, so it will be available for the people who are participants of this live training, and those participants will also get the bonus content with the live classes. What is the bonus content? The bonus content is all the published test automation and programming and any sort of courses on the RCV Academy and Software Testing Mentor training portal, which is this particular training portal that you'll see. So these are some of the courses. So there are 25 plus courses: Selenium WebDriver with Java, with Python, robot framework, test automation. These are some of the very premium courses. You will be getting all of these 25 courses that you will see, right? So test automation and programming, API, there are 3 courses, ISTQB certification, there are 2 courses, foundation level and agile extension with 500 plus sample exam questions and quizzes. We have 5 different courses on test management tools, right? So we'll anyways cover test management with Zephyr or with X-Ray. One of that we'll be covering in this live training with all your queries, and you will be doing hands-on on that. But then apart from that, there are 4 different courses, and Zephyr is there as well. So these courses are pre-recorded courses. You will get access. You can learn these and add it into your resume. And I'll explain you how you are going to learn and add this and show as an experience into your resume, right? Then there are Jira and Confluence courses, which is basically my area of expertise as well. That Jira project, and I'm a Jira project administrator certified by Atlassian, and I have done a lot of Confluence courses on YouTube, so which is on the RCV Academy channel. Jira administration courses, go ahead and watch those courses before you come and enroll in this particular instructor-led live course. I would recommend go ahead, visit my YouTube channel, watch some of the videos, see how I teach. If you feel that yes, you are investing at the right place, please go ahead, contact us, drop an email at admin@softwaretestingmentor.com, and I'll put that email in the description section below as well. And then I'll get back to you with the course details, pricing. So course details will be the same, but the pricing I'll get back to you. I don't want to make the pricing public here. So pricing will be sharing through the email once you contact that you are actually interested in this particular instructor-led live training. It will be taught by me. So looking forward to start this particular batch from 1st of July, and looking forward to meeting many of you and basically having a fruitful conversation, and hopefully getting all of you who join this particular course, if you're not into job, then making sure that you actually are a step further and you are getting or being able to crack job into software testing and build your career there. So that's the core purpose of me getting or starting this particular live training. So to help you to get into software testing field, and my previous experience of 18-19 years in the industry across different geographies is definitely going to help you guys in making that career move. All right. So thank you very much. Please drop an email if you're interested, and I'll get back to you with the course pricing and how you are going to enroll in this particular instructor-led live course. So thank you. Have a nice day.